Hi, everyone. Today, let's learn about how to use AirDroid Parental Control Web to monitor your child's surroundings remotely with no installation on parent's end. First, visit webparent airdroid.com on your device and log into your AirDroid account. Next, on your kid's device, open a browser and go to kids.airdroid.at to download AirDroid Kids. Follow the on-screen prompts to bind the devices and grant the necessary permissions. After pairing is completed, you'll be navigated to the AirDroid Parental Control web dashboard. Find remote operations from the left side menu, and then you can find three options here. Tap remote camera to view the surroundings of your kid's phone. You can rotate the screen, switch between front and rear cameras, remotely open the flashlight, directly enable one-way audio,
Let's go to chapter 3.
and go full screen. Click screen mirroring to see your kid's real-time phone screen directly on your device. With one-way audio, you can listen to the environment through your kid's phone microphones, ensuring their safety even when you're not around.
Let's find seashells tomorrow.
I can't wait, Timmy.
Ready to supervise and monitor your kids? Use AirDroid Parental Control Web today and start monitoring with confidence. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.